In this video, I want to talk about how you can angle park at 45 degrees. So if you're currently doing this and you're hitting other cars, then obviously something is very wrong. So the way that you can do this is, first of all, you just want to blink towards the parking spot. And once you've done that, you want to drive up until you come to the closest line to the parking spot. So you see right here, this is the closest line for the open parking spot. And once you're here, you want to make sure it matches with your mirror. So the mirror matches with the line right here. And as you can see, this is the line that I'm talking about. And mirror matches right here. So then what you're going to do after this is you are just going to turn your wheels all the way to the side. So turn them like this. And then you just want to drive up. Now, once you've driven up just like this, you should now be in line with the other cars. So basically like this, you can see completely in line with these, or you can match with this. And once your car is like this, what you want to do after is you want to fix your wheels. So make sure that they're completely straight. So just straighten them up, drive forward a little bit more. And once you've done this, you should be in position. Once you're in here, you just want to put your car in park and then you're ready to go. So that's basically how it's done, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.